ALISS, a local information system for Scotland. How to use the My Scottish Community Voice application for Alexa. Find information on resources, services, groups, activities and support to help you live well and stay connected to your community. In this guide, you'll learn how to use ALISS on your Alexa. Say, "Alexa, enable My Scottish Community." Note, you must say enable on the first opening. Grant permission to share your postcode to improve the search. Customise your search settings, i.e. search area and type, i.e. whether you would like local or national results. Search ALISS using one or two keywords of what you would like to find. Ask for details to be sent to your Alexa app to save for later. Using the app for the first time. Alexa, enable My Scottish Community.
Okay, here's My Scottish Community. Search ALISS for support. Please enable location permissions in the Amazon Alexa app to get more accurate search results.
Granting permissions in the Alexa smartphone app. Open the app. Tap on where it says Grant My Scottish Community. Tick the device, country and postcode box. Tap on Save Permissions at the bottom of the screen. You have successfully granted permissions to allow your postcode to be used in the ALISS search. Now head back to your Alexa device to perform a search, customizing your search area and type in the settings. Alexa, open My Scottish Community.
Say, search, to search the ALISS system. Or settings, to change your search configuration.
Settings.
Your search radius is currently set at 5 miles, and your search type is set as everything. You can use the touch screen to change the settings and tap the Save button when you are done. Or, say radius, to change your radius setting, or type, to change your search type setting.
Radius.
Your search radius is currently set at 5 miles. You can choose from 1 mile, 5 miles, 10 miles, 30 miles, or 60 miles by saying 1, 5, 10, 30, or 60. Which would you like?
30.
Your search radius has been changed to 30 miles. You can say search to perform a search, or type to change your setting type. Which would you like?
Type.
Your search type is currently set as everything. You can choose from local, national, or everything. Which would you like?
Local.
Your search type has been changed to local. You can say search to perform a search, or radius to change your search radius setting. Which would you like?
Search. Performing a search for support.
Like to find.
Dementia support.
I found 3 results. These are: number 1, Inverurie Carers Exchange; number 2, Networks of Wellbeing, Now; and number 3, Living Golf Indoor Session. Please say the number of the result you would like more information on.
1.
You selected Inverurie Carers Exchange. Phone number 01224 644 077. Email address aberdeen@iscot.org. Information last updated the 4th of April 2022. Would you like a details card sent to your Alexa app?
Yes.
A details card for Inverurie Carers Exchange has been sent to your Alexa app. You can say back to go back to the results list, search to perform another search, or exit to end this session.
Exit. Sending an information card to the Alexa smartphone app. Open the Alexa smartphone app. Tap where it says More on the bottom right-hand corner. Tap where it says Activity in the menu. You should see the information card at the top of your activities list.